So at Brimstone Energy, we're massive fans of the SUNAMP hot water system. It provides direct mains pressure hot water into your dwelling, and it works by charging up a phase change material overnight on low cost electricity and then storing that and then issuing you direct hot water when you need it. Within this project, we were a bit constrained by the size of the space that we had available to work in. So we've got a small cupboard here in which there used to be a water cylinder, but now we've actually placed the Tepio on the ground with a Norvik stand above it, specially made to work with the Tepio, and then above that we have a SUNAMP hot water system. And with any project, it really is important to think about the bigger picture and how we can integrate these different technologies to work for the customer.